Hello Virgos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look as to what are the messages for this month for you. Okay, and as these are general readings, so won't be resonating with each and every one of you, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are the messages for Virgos for this month. Okay, so we have the Page of Pentacles, the Four of Swords, the Queen of Cups, the Nine of Cups, the Queen of Swords, the Emperor, the Seven of Swords, the Hierophant, and the Lovers. Okay. So Virgos, there is a small new beginning or small step is being taken, or at least you want to do that you want to take a small step towards a certain situation, or you've already done it. But the thing is, as for now you are just surrendering to the situation. Okay. See, what I feel here is that maybe you started something on a small scale, a small step was being taken towards something, but then uh, there is a situation in which you are not making a move. You are giving time to yourself. I don't know, or maybe you are taking a small step in the direction of self healing. It can be that also, because with the Four of Swords, what I feel is this is the time you are giving to yourself, working on yourself, and just surrendering yourself to the situation. Okay, you are not making a move, you are not doing anything actively as such. So this is the time you are giving to revive your energies and to heal yourself. Okay, so maybe the steps are being taken in that direction. It can be that also. Or if there was a small step which was being taken, which was taken for in a particular direction, but as for now what I feel is you are not doing it. Okay, you are not sort of moving forward with it. So maybe you've implanted a seed, but then you just left it. Maybe you started something but you left it. It can be that also for some reason. Or maybe it was just a small step which you are taking on self healing and giving time to yourself, whatever it is. But as for now, what I feel is you are trying to revive yourself. That's what I feel. You are trying to replenish yourself. You are taking rest. You are reviving yourself. You are very, very emotional about a particular situation, or your emotions, and you're focusing on your emotions. That's what I'm getting. You are reviving and self healing, rejuvenating yourself, and you're focusing on your emotional well being, perhaps. That's what I feel. So maybe the steps are being taken in that direction. So small steps are being taken in that direction to emotionally heal yourself. That's what I'm getting. And then we have the Nine of Cups. So definitely what I feel is once you are taking that, you're taking those steps, or you are trying giving yourself the time and the energy which is being required to revitalize yourself, you are successful in that. And with the Nine of Cups, you are very, very emotionally satisfied here. That's what I feel. Yeah. So once you are able to heal yourself, you're focusing on the healing of your emotions. You want to heal yourself emotionally, and with the Nine of Cups, I see you doing that in a very beautiful manner. Okay, you will be able to emotionally heal. You're now here, you're feeling emotionally confident, emotionally stable. Okay, and with the Queen of Swords being next, with the Emperor following it, what I feel is you are feeling good about yourself. You are guarding your emotional stability, you are guarding your happiness, you are keeping people at a distance, very, very straightforward, and really guarding your happiness, which you have really achieved very hard. It wasn't easy for you to get back to this emotionally stable condition. That's what I'm trying to say. Emotionally stable in the sense, maybe you needed to heal yourself for some reason, and you've done it beautifully, and you are really guarding it now. And with the Emperor being next, definitely it is you are taking the charge of. Here you are feeling good about yourself. So basically the Nine of Cups, Queen of Swords, and the Emperor, what I feel is here you have done that work which was supposed to be done. You are emotionally stable, you are feeling good about yourself, you are feeling confident, back in power, back in control, and you are guarding it. You are really guarding that. You're really guarding those energies of emotional happiness and gratification, or your wish which has been fulfilled here was to revitalize yourself. You are really feeling good about it, and you are really guarding it. That's what I feel here. And then we have the Seven of Swords, the Hierophant, and the Lovers. So there is definitely a commitment and a long-term relationship over here with the Hierophant and the Lovers, which is supposed to be, looks to me like a marriage or a long-term relationship, definitely equivalent to marriage. But with the Seven of Swords, what I feel is there is somebody here who's getting away with certain things. There's some sort of, somebody is getting away with something over here in this relationship. That's what I feel. So though here you are feeling very good and positive and back in control, but there is something over here, somebody here is, there is some sort of a cheating type of it, or a deception over here, or somebody trying to get away or hiding something from you, or you hiding something from someone. Somebody is being sneaky over here. But then we do have the Hierophant and the Lovers. So definitely what I am getting here is that somebody is being sneaky in this relationship. That's what I feel. Or maybe somebody is having a secret relationship they are not telling you. Maybe you are, oof, there is something which is talking about this long term relationship in which somebody is being sneaky, or you being sneaky, or sneaking out of a relationship here. That's what it is. Let's see what is the message from this deck. Anything else for Virgos? The Four of Spades. It's talking about some transformation which is about to happen. Something here needs to end for something else to blossom. So maybe the sneaky behavior needs to end. If somebody is being sneaky, maybe this is what the message is, that somebody here needs to stop this sneaky behavior for this commitment and this beautiful relationship to happen and blossom. It can be that also. Guidance from the angels. There were two cards. Okay, so what is the guidance from the angels for Virgos? Messenger of emotions. There is a beginning of a new emotional experience that could grow into something deeper. You may receive a message expressing feelings that you didn't even know were developing. A social invitation could soon be on its way to you. There is a person involved who is very gentle and loving with only kindest of intentions. It could be you, especially if you're artistic, shy, and sensitive. So, Virgos, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.